Hello everyone. Today in this video I will discuss how to find out the inverse of a matrix of order 2 by 2 using elementary row transformation or operation. These are the main points which I will discuss in this video. Definition of invertible matrix, patterns and elementary transformations to be used to find out the inverse of the given matrix, solved example based on it, and exercise along with answers. After watching this video, you can take the screenshot of the slide which contains exercise along with answers and you can test your knowledge. Invertible matrix. To know in detail about invertible matrix, operation and pattern, watch the video whose link is given in the description box of this video. Here in this video, I will explain all these things in brief. As we know that if AB equals identity matrix or equals to BA, we say that B and A are inverse of each other. Inverse of each other. That is, A inverse will be B and B inverse will be A. What are A, B and I? Where A, B and I are square matrices of same order. So for elementary row transformation, what we will do, what would be our first step? First of all, we will write down if any matrix would be given to us. For example, any matrix, let's take any matrix, say it is 2, 5, 1, 3. So I will write down this matrix in the form A equals IA. This would be our first step. Miss, this matrix would be, I will write this side, identity matrix, then A will remain as it is. What would be our main purpose? What I will do, I will make few transformations and I will make this matrix as identity matrix. This A will be as it is and I will make the transformation in rows only because we are talking about row transformation. If to make this matrix as the identity matrix, same operation would be done in RHS side. And we will see it will become identity matrix and it will become a new matrix, say it is B. And what is this B? This will be the inverse of the given matrix because A into A inverse is identity matrix. For that means how I will make it identity matrix. I will follow a pattern and this is the pattern. U. You can see U. What is its meaning? I will make it 1 over here. Then I will go like this, then 0. Then I will go like this, 1, then 0. This is the pattern which I will follow. We will follow. If we will not follow this pattern, and whenever if we will make these elements, we will try to make this matrix, identity matrix without following any pattern. Suppose I am making it, I have made it 1 and then I will try to make it 1 over here. It may happen that whenever I will make it 1, it will again become any element other than 1. But if I will follow this pattern, this will not happen. The element of, if 1 is here, it will remain 1 throughout the calculation. Then after making it 0, if I will make it 0, it will be 0 only. It will not be changed. So we will follow this pattern. What are the operations we can use? These are the operations. Number 1, we can interchange any two rows. Double arrow means interchange. Number 2, we can write Ri equals KRI, where K is any non-zero constant, means we can multiply or divide by a constant to any row. Number 3, Ri arrow Ri plus minus KRJ, means we can add the multiple, we can add or subtract the multiple of any other row or column to a particular row. So these are the things which will follow. Let's see. Let's take the example. Here it is the example. First step, we will write let A equals IA. Then I will write the value of A over here. What is it? 2, 5, 1, 3. IA 1, 0, 0, 1 and A will remain negative. So what is our pattern? This is our pattern. That is 1, then 0, then 1, then 0. And we know the transformation. Ri, Rj, we can interchange. We can write like Ri arrow, KRI and Ri plus minus KRJ. These are the transformations. And this is the pattern we will follow. Let's see. So according to the pattern, what I'm supposed to do? According to the pattern, first of all, I will make it 1. I'll make it 1. So how can I? There are many ways I can subtract it or I can interchange it. I can see 1 is over here. I can interchange R1 to R2. Double arrow means interchanging R1 and R2. Main point is we can do the operations only in rows. Write down R2 in place of R1 and write down R1 in place of R2. Same we will do in RHS. 0, 1, 1, 0. Then next step. What would be my next step? According to this pattern, I'll make it 0. That is, I'll make it 0. For this, I can write, if I multiply R1 by 2 and subtract from R2, I will get 0. I can write R2 arrow R2 minus 2 R1. R1 will remain as it is. No change in R1. This will become 2 minus 2, 0. And 5 minus 6, multiplying it by 2, that is 6, it will become minus 1. Same we will do in RHS. R1 will remain as it is and A will remain as it is. What I will do? We will do R2 arrow. R2 arrow, R2 minus 2 R1. That is the 1 minus twice of this. That is 1 only. 0 minus, that is minus 2. Now, the next step is what I will do? 1, 0. I'll make it 1. What can I do? I can multiply it by minus 1. Or I can divide it. We can write like this. R2 arrow R2 divided by minus 1. R1 will remain as it is. 1, 3, 0, 1. 0, 1, minus 1, 2 and 8. Now what is my next step? My next step is I'll make it 0. What can I do? I can multiply it by 3 and can subtract from R1. So next step would be R1 arrow, R1 minus 3R2. Multiply it by 3 and subtract. 1, 0, 0, 1. R2 will remain as it is. Similarly here, this plus 3 हो जाएगा ये. This will be plus 3. And 1 minus 3, that is minus 5, minus 1, 2, and 8. What can we see? We see that it is I. And this is, say, matrix B. And this is A. And what is this B? This is the inverse of A. Because I equals A inverse A. So what is A inverse? This is A inverse. A inverse is this. A inverse is 3 minus 5 minus 1 and 2. Let's take one more example. This is the case. We can write first step is A equals IA. That is 6 minus 3 minus 2, 1 equals 1, 0, 0, 1 into A. First of all, we will write down the pattern. What is the pattern? U. 1, 0, 1, 0. And operations, same operations we will use over here. So my first agenda would be, I'll make it 1. I can write it as, what can I do? In R1, I can divide R1 by 6. It will become 1 minus 3 upon 6, that is minus half. Minus 2 minus 1, that is second row will remain as it is. And first row dividing by 6, same operation we will do in RHS. This. Now, my agenda would be, now according to this, I'll make it 0. What can be done? I can write R2 arrow, R2 plus 2R1, multiplying it by 2 and adding it into R2. What can be done? No change in R1. 1 minus half, 1 by 6, 0. R2 plus 2R1, that is 0. R2 plus 2R1, that is 0. R2 plus 2R1, that is 1 by 3 and 1. What we have observed over here? We could see that the elements of R2 has become 0, all elements. Whenever we do the transformation to find out the inverse, and during the transformation we get all elements of any row 0, then we say that inverse does not exist. Here we can say, you will write, because all elements of row 2, that is R2, are 0. So inverse of given matrix, inverse of 6 minus 3 minus 2, 1 does not exist. This is the exercise. Based on it, you can take the screenshot and you can test your knowledge. That's all in this video. If you like the video, don't forget it to share with your friends. Also, if you have not subscribed the channel, subscribe it right now to get more informative videos in future. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.